Today's brand is called ExoBio.
Ooh.
And as you can see, they have a range of products. Now, first up, what's special about this brand is the ingredients, right?
A very special one. It's called ginseng tree exosomes.
This is a toner. Looks nice, actually.
The packaging is sweet, and I've heard it's fragrance-free. So it's even better for your skin than you could have thought it was.
Right, so what's actually very special about these products is that they're completely fragrance-free. They don't contain any chemical substances. And
It's so light.
Okay, let's move on to step number 2, which is the serum. Right.
Oh.
So
Hydro
this is the
recovery
product.
serum.
Now, what also makes these products special, not only the serum, but all of them, is that first of all, they're vegan.
And they are FDA approved.
They're FDA approved, and they also passed various like skin tests. It looks like this is also absorbing really nicely.
And again, dewy look. We want that. It would definitely help with the glossy skin look. I love the way it feels on my skin, honestly. Just like touch it a little bit.
Oh, it feels
So
very
great,
soft.
right?
It does.
Already.
So if you have dry skin like me, for example, you need a cream. But then a lot of those like heavier creams are very oily.
And not that pleasant.
Yeah, it's not nice. So they can give you acne, or if you put on the cream and then you try to do your makeup, it just runs off again.
Just like, phew, falls up.
Right, but this cream is supposed to not do that. So it is very
Moisturizing?
nutritious, very moisturizing, but it's not oily.
It's so interesting. The texture is like
Yeah.
so smooth and creamy, yet it feels so light on the skin.
This feels very unique.
Like I can already feel how well it would do for my skin if I just put it on, go to sleep, and in the morning you have this majestic look.
So in the premium line, we have 2 different products. We have an oil and a cream. So let's first take a look at this oil. This is supposed to really relax you.
Maybe it could even help me with my trouble getting to sleep.
It actually does. It actually helps with insomnia. So if you put this behind your ears and massage it in a little bit before you go to bed, it's supposed to help you to sleep at night.
Oh.
Does it smell good?
It smells amazing.
Oh.
All the oils. Yeah, I can
I
just
like this. It has
So-
a bit of a green tree scent, I think.
Oh, for some reason it feels so nice.
Falling asleep here.
Like, bye-bye.
So yeah, you can either just massage it in, or what you can also do is you can use it together with the cream. So now let's take a look at this cream as well. This cream contains 60 different ingredients.
60.
Yeah, 60 premium ingredients. And it's especially good for wrinkle prevention, or if you already had wrinkles, it soothes it out.
My mom would love that. Shall we try it?
Let's see. So let's look. It's very thick. Like, can you see this? It's like ice cream, I would say. Yeah, like it's this thick.
Wow.
Like it doesn't even fall off. That's how thick it is. So what you can do is you can put like 1 or 2 drops of oil on the cream, and then
it becomes even more moisturizing.
right, you can have both effects combined. And because of the oil, it has this nice spa smell.
Ooh, it actually does.
Yeah. Oh, I like this.
I've been having it for like a little while on my ear, and I do feel kind of a little more relaxed.
So with this, we have 2 different lines that you can choose from. The Get Bright line
Or
and the premium line. So choose whatever you like.
And use it wisely.
Use it wisely and feel more pretty.